Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back after about 2 weeks. I had to take 2 weeks off. I don't want to go on and on about my son and the house and I'm a mom, blah blah blah, but that was the main reason. I'm back now with the BoxyCharm video, which I love filming so much, even if I don't love the box that much in this particular month. I've already opened my box, I know what I got, and let's get right into it. So, to start this video, I want to talk about the new updates that BoxyCharm have. They have so many new updates. One of them is the BoxyCharm Premium for $35, and they have the customization, they have choice, they have add-ons, and they have the Boxy pop-up. With the choice, you get to choose one product, which I didn't get the chance to choose for this month, nor did I get the chance to choose for the next month because they have it for like maybe a couple hours, just until I think the products are out, or I don't know, they have limited time or something like that. Anyways, done talking. If you get BoxyCharm in this month, you will get this details for their updates, and if you're interested, you should read them all or go to their Instagram or Facebook page. Let's go ahead and see what I got in this month. First product I see is this one by should shake it, by Iconic London. It's the Prep Set and Glow Mist. It's a water mist, or it's called the Water Mist Original. And I'm really excited to use this. For some reason, I've never used it before. I'm excited to use this. I love Iconic London. And this product retails for $29. The second product is this palette from Dose of Colors. It's called Sassy Sienna. And it's all matte. Looks like fall shades. I haven't really opened the palette yet, but in the back here I can see the color. It looks like they are all matte and like fall shades. This palette retails for $32. The second product is this tinted brow gel by Mellow, and this retails for $16. I'm excited to use this one. And then I got the mascara from Hank & Henry. I really wanted to get this one. I always love to try new mascaras. And this is a dual mascara. It has one side with a thick brush. The other side is a thin brush, which is really excited to try. And this one retails for $19. The last product, which I was really not excited to get, is this pencil by Hollywood Envine. And it retails for $7. The Velvet Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. I don't like wooden eyeliners. It tends to make my eyes water, which who wants that after doing their makeup? But I'm gonna try it and see how it's gonna perform. So let's jump right into it and start with I really want to start with the tinted brow gel. I don't have anything from Mellow. This is the first time I try Mellow products, but I really want to get their lipsticks and lip liners and eyeshadows. I'll keep you guys updated on that. See, so it comes in a brush like this, and let's see how it performs. Ooh. So I took a thin brush, and with a concealer I cleaned up around my eyebrows. So it's nice. I like it. It gave it this thick and feathery look, but be careful while applying it because it can get messy. The next product that I'm gonna use now is the eyeshadow palette. I've already primed my eyelids. I love Dose of Colors lip liners and lipsticks. Honestly, this is the first time I try a palette from them. So let's see how it goes. These are the colors. Very beautiful colors. And it comes with a brush, a little tiny dual brush. I like this side. I don't know how I feel about this side. We're gonna have to try it. It's almost like too thin to be a crease brush, like too small to be a crease brush, and I don't know what else would it be good for. I'm gonna start with this brush by Morphe, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Foxy, and I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. I'm really into the dark colors now, so let's hope we like the application of this palette, because if I do, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Oh, this is really pigmented. Next, I'm gonna go with this shade, Brassy. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And I use the same brush. Oh. This is so pigmented and so pretty. So I did use the same brush, but the other side. You can always do that if you don't like to use a lot of brushes. I love to use a lot of brushes. I don't mind that, but today, since I'm going with this simple look, just keeping it simple. You guys, I have lost my ring and I've been looking for it for like 24 hours now, looking for it nonstop. I have no idea what it is. Last night I went out for dinner. We had a birthday party. I remember that I had it on. I'm sure I had it on. And from there, I don't know what I took it off. I don't know what I put it. And from this video, I'm gonna know if my husband watches my videos or not, because he still doesn't know that I've lost my ring. So wish me luck. So here is Foxy and Brassy on our eyelids, and you guys, I really like it. I think it's really pretty, very pigmented, and it's so easy to blend and work with. Now I'm gonna go with the brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna use this side, and I'm gonna go back with the Foxy. So we're basically using only two colors, but I promise I'm gonna use this palette again in my videos or on my Instagram. I'm gonna go with my Tarte palette just to get some color in the brow bone, because this palette doesn't have any light shades to use on the brow bone. Now it's time for mascara. I'm so excited to use this one. Is it gonna be a new favorite? Let's find out. So this is the thicker and bigger brush. Let's see how it's gonna apply. I've already curled my eyelashes. Here's the first side with the mascara on. I'm not mad at it at all. I actually really like it. Let's go ahead and finish the other side so we can get the other side of the mascara. This is the other side, a very thin brush, and it's supposed to be perfect for the bottom lashes. Bottom lashes? Yeah, bottom lashes. Oh. This is not bad at all. It's really nice. I think this tip would be really good to get into those like little small hairs that are on the inner corner of the eye that we usually don't get with the bigger brush. So this is not bad. I like the mascara. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I'm scared, but let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna try to put it in my waterline right here. Yep. Let me warm it up on my hand. It's there. It's pigmented. It's black. It's kind of harsh on the waterline. Oh. My eyes are watering. Oh my God. Let me try to apply it on the upper one too. Yeah, no, I could live without it. I've tried worse, but it's not good, and it made my eyes water. I don't know if you can I don't know if you can see that, but my eyes are really watery right now. It's uncomfortable. Anyways, this one I'm gonna pass on. I'm not gonna use it again. Let's finish it with the last product, which is a product that I was excited to try. And this is the iconic London Water Mist. Oh, this smells so good. Here's the finished look using BoxyCharm for this month. So let's talk about the products. First off, I'm gonna start with the first product that I used. That was this one by Mellow. I'm gonna use this again, I'm sure, but I'm gonna be more careful while using it. It's nice. It gave it a thick and feathery look. The second product was the eyeshadow palette. Definitely gets dirty, so it's cute. I like it. It's mini, small palette. You can travel with it if you're going somewhere in fall. You can definitely take this one. Get a lot of use out of it. You can create a lot of looks. So this one I really liked. I'm gonna use it again. Next was the mascara. I'm sure I'm gonna use it again. I really liked it. It's not like my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, but it's good and I like the small tip. I really enjoyed it, so I'm gonna use this again. And then the Mist by Iconic London. You can also use this one to prep your face. It's prep, set, and glow, and it's definitely making me glow. I love it. Last but not least was the eyeliner. As I said, I'm gonna pass on this one. It made my eyes water and I did not like it. So when I add up everything I got in this month, the total is $103. Usually it's more than that, but it is what it is. I enjoyed most of the products. If you haven't tried it, I think you should. It's worth it. You only pay $21. I think it's gonna become $25, and it's gonna be the value at least $125. So it's definitely worth it. You pay $25 for products that are worth $125 and above. So it's definitely worth it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're first time in my channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And like this video and comment. Give me your opinion of this look. If you got this palette, tell me if you liked it and if you created any looks that you have been enjoying. Bye!